I couldn't tell. I can't. I'm sorry I made fun of you for your dice all these years.
Oh, no, you can't read.
Vicious full circle presents itself.
Roll 2d6 and then double that for the crit, and then add the 10.
Great, okay. Fuck you, not you.
I was like, eye contact on that one. I was like, oh.
I'm so sorry.
I was just trying to raise money for charity.
I'm so sorry.
You do see an outdoor amphitheater, some rare flowers.
Stop it.
Gesundheit. I love that
So good.
so much.
So mean.
Damn it. We're gonna get to a live show one day. Somebody's gonna sneeze, and the whole place is gonna go, "Stop it!"
Twice? Okay, so that is... Jesus, I can't read this dice at all. 64.
You can't read.
Shut up. The chamber.
Locked and loaded.
You enter the room.
There's t-shirt.
Yep.
Bless you.
Gesundheit.
Stop it.
Also, first roll of the last
How they
episode.
discover penicillin.
Ooh,
I can't read what that
that's
is.
really good.
Oh, it's a 17.
can't read
No, it's just all. Dish it out.
Yeah. Fair play.
Last memory of your parents?
Yeah, I woke up wandering the dead lands outside the city.
Then I'm gonna pick something.
Gesundheit. So, as you step out into the bright midday light,
Stop it.
what would you like to do?
19.
18.
Okay.
I don't even know. What is that? 15. No. 7. I think it's a 7. Okay. 11.
Seems
You can't read it.
Fuck! I've been Johnson.
Get Johnson.
yeah. Having only.